Hi, my name is Jay Swearingen with Winnebago Industries Service Department. Today we're going to talk about what to look for if you have no AC power inside your motorhome. If you've plugged your motorhome into the shoreline pole and you come in the coach and for some reason you have no power, you should check your 110 volt circuit breakers in the coach. Now in this particular motorhome, they're very easy to find. They're right here. Other models may have the circuit breakers in other locations, most commonly under the bed. Even though the circuit breakers may look like they're in the on position, you need to shut them all off and reset them all. Sometimes they can fool you. They look like they're on, but actually they are tripped. So physically shut them all off and reset them all. If resetting the circuit breakers in your motorhome doesn't solve the problem, you should also check the circuit breakers on your shoreline pole. And again, just because they look like they're not tripped doesn't mean they're not. Physically shut them off and turn them back on again. And hopefully this will solve your problem.